Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start up any apps on Windows 11. So for this problem, we have to go to the search options, then go to the settings. Here we have to insert the apps button, then startup options. Here have lots of apps are installed and sometimes off, sometimes on. So by default Anytext it is off. If we want to press OK, so when you start the computer, so in that time automatically Anytext software will start. So if we want to go to the off, then on, it's on. So thank you so much. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.